Make a great choice today with the 2015 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control, aluminum wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.